Okay, so the feature I chose is called The Doctor in the Viral Photo with his son behind the glass has lost his home to a tornado. Um, and it's about a family where the dad is working on a hospital treating the coronavirus. And he's living apart from his family, which is his wife and his son. So he can't see them in a longer time because he don't want them to get affected by the coronavirus. Yeah, and just to show you what their concrete situation is, we can see here. Dr. Jared Burks was on a break from working at the hospital, where he is on the front lines of fighting the coronavirus pandemic, when a tornado struck and destroyed his family's home in Jonesboro on Saturday. So this is like the concrete event that we take starting point in. And then there is like some following things about him working with the coronavirus. We can see down here that his son is like, he misses his dad a lot. Here we can see that it says, as soon as he saw his dad, he just raced to the door, Alicia Burks told. He got up on the glass because I think he wanted him to hold him. So it was sad, it was cute, but it was really heartbreaking because it's hard. So this is also an example of the feature being very personal. Yeah, and the reason why this is a feature too is because it's a delimited subject. It's about this family, which is a concrete situation where the dad is working with the coronavirus and the family is staying at home, but then there comes this tornado and destroys their home, and it makes the whole situation for them very sad because, yeah, the same time as the dad can't see the son, their home is destroyed by a tornado. Yeah, and often in a feature there is identification between the reader and the writer, and this is very clear that all people who read this can identify themselves in their situation at some point, because we're all standing in the coronavirus pandemic, so everyone knows what the causes of it is. Yeah, and also another genre in the feature is that you keep the bigger perspective, and in this feature the bigger perspective is the coronavirus and the following things about it. Yeah, and in this one the effects of their situation is that people, they kind of gave them money to build their home because they know that this is a hard situation for them. It says here, as you can see, Evan Clower, Eliza Berg's best friend, created a GoFundMe on Saturday to help the family rebuild after the tornado. By Sunday evening, more than $50,000 had been raised, with people sharing hundreds of kind messages to the family. I donated because this wonderful family sacrificed for the sake of us all during this time, despite the loss of their home. One donor wrote, "Build bigger and better. My prayers are with you every day." So the fact that they are in a very difficult situation, people, they can put themselves in their situation and like they want to help them because they know that it's hard to have a family where the dad is working with the coronavirus every day and can't see the son because of that. People can like put themselves in their situation a lot. So yeah, I think that's basically it. Yeah. The last thing I want to say is that that the coronavirus has these following events, which is the dad not seeing the family. So this is also one of the genre.